everyone, I'm going to show you an easy peasy way to renew your favorite t-shirt. As we've measured before, the armhole measurement is 13 inches and there's always a curvature to the armhole, and that is the full pattern. Always make sure that your arm is slightly bent when doing the sleeve measurement. I've sewn the right sides together and overlocked all the way around the sleeve. That is for the armhole. And now I've attached the armhole to the t-shirt on the right side of the t-shirt and the fabric together, pin to secure, and now you're going to sew all the way around. You're going to place the fabric underneath the machine, backstitch, careful the pin, and sew all the way around the armhole. You're going to take the wrist measurement, mine was 6.5 inches. You're going to add on another inch for folding it over, and then you're going to sew a square with the machine on the elastic. You've overlocked the fabric. You're now just going to fold it over, place it under the machine, backstitch, and sew all around the edge of the sleeve. You're going to attach the safety pin to the elastic, but before you do that, you're going to measure with the elastic the size. You're going to fold it over, and that's the size of the elastic which is going to be pulled through. Place it under the machine, backstitch, and then sew all the way along. Make sure you keep the measurements and the size the same, and then remember there's going to be a gap where you're going to have to feed it through, so leave a space to put the safety pin through. You're going to sew all the way along, and then you're going to backstitch. You're going to feed the safety pin through that hole all the way around. Once you finish feeding the elastic through, you're going to take both ends, take the safety pin off, and then you're going to put it together, place it under the machine, and you're going to sew that square to secure the elastic. That's what it looks like. Once you've checked that the elastic's not too tight around your arm, you're then just going to attack to finish it off. And then you place that obviously on your arm and check that it's not too tight, and that's what it looks like. If you like that, so click the like button. If you want to see more about being creative, then click the subscribe button.